Hello my dear children, I am your Sheetal teacher. So children, as we have done number names from 1 to 20, okay? And I hope you all are practicing at home the number names. Okay children, please practice all these number names and do share your photos and videos with me, okay? So children, today we are going to learn further number names from 21 to 25, okay? Today we are going to learn number names from 21 to 25. These 5 number names we are going to learn, and you also share your photos and videos with me, okay? While practicing this number names. Okay, so let's start. So children, as you have done the practice of spelling 20, what is the spelling name of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y. You know what is the spelling of 20? 2020. What is the spelling of 20 children? Repeat with me. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Again. T-W-E-N-T-Y. It becomes 20. So children, this is the spelling of 20. Okay. So now we are going to learn further numbers, that is 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. These are the further number names, okay? So these are the simple number names children. Now this is 21. So you have to write 20, the spelling of 20 and then 1. So it becomes 21. What is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20 and then 1. Okay. So children, you know what is sight words? Yes. In sight word it comes went. W-E-N-T. Went. So आगे you have to put T and then you have to put Y. So it becomes 20. It's very simple. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. If you are not able to learn children, take two words, okay? T-W-E-N-T-Y. You can learn like this also. T-W-E-N-T-Y. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Very simple. So you can break the spelling and you can learn, okay? T-W-E-N-T-Y. It becomes 20. And then it comes 20 and then 1, because we are learning 21, 20 and 1. Okay, same children over here. 20 you have to write, which number is this? 22. 2 to 22. So how we are going to write the spelling of 22? You have to write the spelling of 20 and then 2. 22. 22. 22. And you know the spelling of 2, I know. You have learned in your last previous year. So it becomes 22. The spelling of 2 you know, and you have learned 20 spelling of 20. So 20 and 2 becomes 22. Okay. Now children, 23. So same here also, 20 and then 3. You have to put a dash over here children. Spelling of 20 and then write 3. So it becomes 23. Okay. 20. Spelling of 20 and then you have to write 3. 23. And what is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. 24 children, this is also very simple. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20 लिखना है and then you have to write 4 spelling. F-O-U-R. 4. So it becomes 24. It's very simple. 24. Spelling of 25. You have to write the spelling of 20 and then 5. 25. Okay, 20 and 5, it becomes 25. So in this children, main thing is you have to learn the spelling of 20. If you know the spelling of 20, you will be able to write till 25. Okay, so learn first spelling of 20 and then practice this. One time I will practice this. I will give you a practice of spelling 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. 1, 22, 23, 24, 25. And these spellings you know, I know you know these spellings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That are simple spellings, okay? So you also practice this and share me your videos and photos with me. Okay children? Bye. Take care.